Hey guys, it's Tashay Leniece and I am back with another video. This video is a review because my hair is already washed and conditioned, but I want to talk about these products. So I'm gonna take my hair down. So this is my hair freshly washed and conditioned. Can y'all tell the curl definition in it though? Like no product. It's very moisturized, and look how big it is. It's so cute. So the products that I used were Desired Hair Company Strengthening Restoration Shampoo. It has Biotin Pro Vitamin B5 and botanical extracts. This is an 8.5 fluid ounce. The packaging is amazing. Like, it looked like it's kind of like hard, but when you squeeze it, it's squeezable. She is from Flint, Michigan. Her name is Desiree. I will leave all her information down below in the description box. The first 5 ingredients are, it does have glycerin in it. I'm on the shampoo right now. Water, sodium C14, sulfate, glycerin. I'll have the rest on the screen. But the consistency of the shampoo was a little thin. I don't know if you guys could tell. Oh, I'm at the camera. It's a little thin. So it does have a lather. It smells fruity. Like it has like a nice little scent. It doesn't linger, but it's not too strong. Excuse me. I definitely love the shampoo because it has lather, and I was able to detangle. Now, I put these to the test because I did not pre-poo. I didn't pre-poo because I didn't want moisture overload, and I did know that I was going to be using the shampoo and the conditioner, and I didn't want to. I usually pre-poo with conditioner, so I didn't want to pre-poo with conditioner, then shampoo, then condition again, then deep condition. Wasn't doing all that. So I was like, these products really about to get put to the test. So again, I did not pre-poo. I had my hair up. I did my hair. It might have been 2 weeks since I last washed my hair. Had to have been 2 weeks since I washed my hair. And the way that this glided through my hair, I had like minor shedding. Like, shampoo, 10 out of 10 for me. Definitely would repurchase it. She was kind enough to send these to me to try, but with my own coin, I will repurchase it. It is $20 for an 8.5 fluid ounce. Yeah, it's an A+ on the shampoo for me. And for the conditioner, it's the same name, same Biotin Pro Vitamin B5, this has amino acids. Okay. And botanical extracts. This is also 8.5 fluid ounce. The packaging is dope. Like, it's so clean. Like, it's bomb. The conditioner was thick, but it soaked into my hair. You see how the bottle's squeezing? But it don't, like, you see how it bounced back? It don't leave like no dents in it. The conditioner is thick, but once you put it in your hand, it like dissolves real quick. So my hair was soaking it up. This has a fainter. It's more subtle than, I mean, it's lighter than the shampoo smell, but it still smells very good. So let's talk about the conditioner. Now, I was just going to condition with this to see how it feels. You know, put it on, detangle a little bit, rinse it out, then go to my deep conditioner. This conditioner felt so good. I am not going to deep condition. I'm done. I'm done for the day. So what I did was I did the shampoo, I did the conditioner, I detangled with it. It was easy to detangle. I don't even think I used a lot. Yeah, I don't think I used a lot. I feel like I'm like right here. And then I tied it up for about 5 minutes probably. And then I rinsed it out. And now we're here. Feeling light, fluffy, moisturized, all that good stuff. Hair is feeling good. Definitely will recommend Desired Hair Company Strengthening Restoration Shampoo and Conditioner. The conditioner is also $20. You can get it in a bundle for $40. Again, I'll leave her website and all her information down below. Highly recommended, 10 out of 10. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know down in the comment section if you plan on trying these products. Let me know if you have, because I think baby girl is shipping out, you know. Let me know if you tried these products. Again, she is from Flint, Michigan, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.